Okay, part 3.
Completely installed. In my opinion, it looks badass. Because I haven't even seen it this way. You know, with the horn installed, everything bolted down nice and tight, the powder coated clamps, right? So, there we go. This is a bow tie.
Solid.
So here's a clamp.
Powder coated. You got the nice dress up bolts or nuts. Let's get around the back side. Yeah, it goes over your info sticker, but
It is what it is. All right.
there you go. I think it looks amazing.
Let's see.
Look at that. Different view.
As you can see, I flipped this retainer around to kind of push out the cable a little bit from hitting the bracket
On this side. Yep. You can't even tell that bracket's there.
Looks great. Anyway, hit me up. I have plenty of crash bars in stock, even for you vintage owners or 2003 that do have the mounts. If you guys need some crash bars, I have plenty in stock for you guys. So comes with hardware. So give me a call or inbox me. Sorry, and let's talk about it.